I am Jesus. If I found out how to do today, I am going to make a snack and a robot. I am very excited to show you how I built them. I hope you enjoy it. A story about the snack and the robot. One day, a little snack met a very robot. Hello, say the robot. Hello, say the snack. The snack and the robot play together. They laugh and had fun. They become best friends. Thank you everyone. I hope you had fun watching